Okay, so the Bitcoin Gold hard fork just happened. Now I just want to lay out why I think that Bitcoin Gold is the future of Bitcoin. When Bitcoin was founded as a cryptocurrency, its primary goal was to decentralize currency so that no longer was government ran central banking systems used to manipulate the fiat currency system. And to some degree, it's succeeded. There is now a form of wealth that exists in cryptocurrency, digital wealth. But now that cryptocurrency has become centralized once again by corporations, that corporate mining farms using ASIC technologies, integrated circuits, have made it impossible for your average user to profitably mine Bitcoins. That was never what Bitcoin was intended for. It was an attempt to get away from decentralized currencies. And that is where the Bitcoin Gold hard fork comes into play. It once again returns the power to the people in a democratic system that decentralizes the monetary system from the control of large corporate Bitcoin miners. So those ASIC Bitcoin farms that are pumping out 1.5 million Bitcoin profit per month hidden in the factories of China, those are going to go away. That's going to be completely decentralized, and it's going to return back to the way that it was intended for the average home user, the average person, to be able to use the technology to transfer their money and to make payments and use this currency outside of a central banking system, which is what the corporations have now become. So, as Bitcoin was to fiat currency, Bitcoin Gold is to Bitcoin. Sometime around November 1st or after November 1st, we should have access to the miners. Once we can mine Bitcoin Gold using GPU mining, balance will be returned to the force. We will again have decentralized the currency, and it will no longer be able to be controlled by a central banking system. So, I'm going to be mining Bitcoin Gold. I'm sure other people are as well. Currently mining Bitcoin on this Bitcoin miner robot on my phone. Then I'm going to transfer over to Bitcoin Gold as soon as I'm able to withdraw it. You can make Bitcoins on your phone using your phone's hash rate. On mine, it varies from 2 to 4 kilohashes per second. I can withdraw this when it's reached 0.0025 Bitcoins, currently at 611 microcoins. I just downloaded this from the App Store. You just provide it with your Bitcoin wallet address. And when you can hit withdraw, you can withdraw your Bitcoin balance. And then I'm going to hit an exchange and trade this off for as much Bitcoin Gold as I can get. Currently, the Bitcoin Gold is now sitting at a trade rate. It is only being traded currently by 2 currencies, YoBit and HIT BTC. And everyone's a little bit concerned about this because these 2 exchanges are trading in a currency that presently has no wallet. And there's no proof that there is a replay protection on the Bitcoin Gold, which, as far as I'm concerned, is actually favorable to Bitcoin Gold, and the drawback is on Bitcoin itself. I mean, this is essentially an attack on a centralized currency system, an attempt to decentralize it again. So all of those people that were holding Bitcoins to get their Bitcoin Gold, well, if they just sold it off, I'm expecting these low prices of, almost 4% exchange rate currently going on. So you could have got more than 25 Bitcoin Gold coins for the sale of one Bitcoin, I think that people are making a mistake if they sold off the Bitcoin gold and held the Bitcoin. I think as a long-term investment strategy, people aren't going to be interested in a centrally controlled cryptocurrency. If they were, Bitcoin never would have existed, and people would still be using the central banking system's fiat currency, and there would be no point in the even existence of Bitcoin. So for corporations to think that they can run mining farms and form a central controlled banking system of their own around Bitcoin, it kind of goes against the premise of Bitcoin itself. That's why I think that the future of Bitcoin is this Bitcoin gold, and I think that everybody selling should have been exchanging their Bitcoins for more Bitcoin gold. But I guess only time will tell, and we'll see how this all plays out. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoy this channel, please like, subscribe, and share, and have a good day. Thank you.